Good afternoon, students. Today I'll start exercise number 4.3. This is also the part of the fraction chapter. Already we have discussed the 4.1 and 4.2. Now we are going to discuss about the exercise number 4.3. What is state that? Suppose question number, here we can use one formula. What is the formula for that? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. This formula we can use to do this math. What do you mean by a and b? Suppose you think it, a means first term, b means second term. So according to that part, if I say first term square minus second term square, that means first term plus second term into first term minus second term. Am I clear to all of you? First term square minus second term square is equal to first term plus second term into first term minus second term. Okay. Okay. Let's start. Suppose question number 1 4x square minus 25y square. How you can do that? Your step 1 is that, first step is that you first to do the, take the common. If it is going on, of course, if it is going on, then you can take first the common. After common, you can make it as the whole square. So your number 1 is work is what? First make the common and then you think in which way you can make it whole square in form. Okay. So you see first 4 and 25. Any common figure is going on? It is not possible. No common figure is going on. Okay. Then how can I do that? So 4x square means is what? 2x whole square and 5y 25 means 5y whole square. Then looks, compare with this equation. This is L square whole square. This is L square whole square. Proves a plus b, that is 2x plus 5y, and a minus b, 2x minus 5y. Okay, so in this way you can solve this all problem from this chapter. Number, suppose in this way, okay, 12 150 minus 6a square. What I have told, previous math we are not able to take as common, but in this math you are able to take the common. What is the common is that? 150 and 6 you can take the common as 2, not 3. 6 you can take the common as 6. You do the HCF, you are able to find out what is with the divisible. So 6 25 is 150 minus a square, 5a square minus a square. That means a square minus b square formula, a plus b and a minus b. Understood? So previous time I have already told what are the way you can solve this part. So first of all you take as the common if it is possible. If you are not able to take the common, then how can you take it? The first work is what? You first work take the common from there. Next, after taking the common, you can make it as the whole square in form. After taking the common, you can make it whole square in form. So whole square in form. So first math you see between 4 and 20 you are not able to take as common because itself these are the whole square in form. And this form is that you can take the common as 6. So that's why 25 minus a square. So 5 square minus a square will be the answer. So 6 5 plus a 5 minus a. Clear to all of you? Okay, thank you. Next part. Suppose 3 at 2. Three at 2. 9 into x plus y square minus x square. So how can I do that? 9 means how can I do 3 into x plus y, that total whole square, minus x square. You see that how can I do that? 3 square 9, x plus y whole square, that's the total become whole square. This is not the whole square, this is the whole square. Now multiply it, 3x plus 3y, that whole square, minus x, that whole square, a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. Do the calculation. 3x plus x, 4x plus 3y, and here 2x plus 3. Okay, so in this way you are able to solve the all problems from here. Another one math. 5A1. Two x minus 2y whole square minus 50y square. So take the common 2. So what will be left? X minus 2y whole square, 25y square. Clear? Your step 1 is what? Take the common. After taking the common, 25 means 5y whole square. Now a square minus b square formula, a plus b and a minus b. So x minus 2 plus 5, that is plus 3y, x minus 7y. This way you can solve the problems from there. Okay, little critical from previous math. Okay, but if you can give the focus on the equation, then easily you are able to solve it. Another one math. 6A2. Six-A-2 is what? Pi a to the power 5 minus pi cube ab square. So from here you can take the pi as the common. A5 a, then a is the common. So what will be left? Pi gone, a4 minus pi square, a gone, b square. A square whole square minus pi b whole square. তাহলে a square a plus b a minus b. This will be the answer. Clear? Easy? Okay. Last another math. Uh, 7A2. X minus 2, x plus 2 plus 3. See that x minus 2, x minus 2, x plus 2, that means a square minus b square. A square minus b square plus 3. X square minus 4 plus 3, that is x square minus 1. Why minus 4 plus 3 minus 1? Now next step, x whole square, 1 whole square. So A plus B and A minus. In reverse again you can do it. So in this way you can solve all of the problem from this chapter. Okay. Goodbye.